received this awesome wall mount faucet from Amazon to put right by your stove, and we're going to show you how to install this and how simple it is. So it came like this in this really nice box here with these really nice instructions right here, and very awesomely protected. Anyways, we're gonna check this out and show how you install this above your kitchen stove. I'm gonna show you how simple this is to install, and all you're gonna do is we're gonna thread this onto the water outlet above your stove. It's very simple and easy to install. So there it is, all installed, and it's so easy to move this out and use to fill pots on the stove. Here, we're gonna show that in a second. And it's very high quality, and I'm very happy with this. So here I have a pot, and I'm gonna put some water in it. So I'm gonna grab this and put it over my pot, and then I'm going to turn it on and turn this one, and there we go. I can fill up my pot right on my stove. Great product, great quality. It's very nice looking and just elevated our kitchen to a whole new level.